Hello students, welcome to my channel. You will be giving a smile after reading the question why we should rinse our mouth after eating, because many of us will not be doing it. It's not a matter of fun, but it is a measure for the correct dental health. You know, this is also related with pH. So if you haven't watched the video on pH, I will definitely suggest you to watch that video. What is pH? What are the various values of it? Now let's come to the topic. When you don't rinse your mouth, actually food sticks to your gums and to your teeth. Now this food over a period of time, it is acidic in nature. Okay, so the pH of the mouth is acidic when you don't rinse. And this is the favorable condition for bacteria to multiply and to degrade your teeth. I hope you must be knowing that enamel is the hardest substance of our body that forms the tooth lining. So our tooth, each tooth is covered with a substance called enamel, and it is the hardest substance of your body. So when you don't rinse your mouth, actually the pH of the mouth is acidic, and bacteria, they harbor in those conditions. They can multiply. They can degrade the enamel. Think the power of bacteria, that it has the power to degrade the enamel. So what actually happens, it degrades the enamel, and some people, they have broken teeth because of the bacterial infection. Some people, they have exposed nerves also. Even in their premolars and molars, there is a hole. So what is this hole? This hole is actually caused by the bacterial degradation. So how you can take a preventive measure from all these acts? You need to certainly brush your mouth. When you actually brush, you use toothpaste, and this toothpaste has basic pH. When you retain brushing for a longer period of time, right, what happens? The pH was earlier acidic. When you brush for little time or just for few seconds, the pH is brought as to be neutral. But when you brush for a longer period of time, it becomes basic. And basic pH is the one which is being resisted by the bacteria. So when it is less than 7, it is acidic. When it is 0, it is neutral. And when it is more than 7, it is basic. The ideal condition for your mouth should be the basic pH, because this is the one being resisted by bacteria. Means bacteria will not come in your mouth in case the pH of your mouth is more than 7. So make sure to rinse your mouth every time when you eat, because this will give a long and a healthy life to each tooth in your mouth. Now the chance for the question. What is the hardest substance in our body? You can write the answer in the comment section. A feedback will definitely reach you through the reply, and your name will be taken in the upcoming video. If you have liked the explanation, don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing and sharing it with maximum friends, so that I will also feel motivated to record good videos like this. See you in next video. Thank you.